I'm replacing the taillight in my Prius. The other one has a black one, the other one has a clear one. So first thing is we need to clear this out. This, then we need to take out this trim. We'll need this one too. Just pull this out. Once that's out, we could like pull this area over here slowly. There are clips there. Yep. So I think you have space now to take out the two bolts. This one. Take this. I think these are just like holder or plastic brackets. Then there's another one. There's another one on top over here. So I got those two brackets out from the bolt, and you're gonna take this out and take the other one out too. Those bolts are out. I mean the nuts. Those two nuts are out. Just gonna slowly push this, push the bolt outward. Should be able to grab this one out. Yep, so just pull it out, then disconnect this one over here. Be a good actually pull this out. Okay, it's hard with one hand, so yeah, got it out. This is my old one. Yep, there's a difference there. And I might have to check the bulbs if they're okay. Oh well, we can do it later, okay? All assembled. And now this one is for sale.